This is an original finance pack, it turns out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this original connector block off and build up out of these parts here a new one with the copper pins, and then see how well this stands up to use in a 41C. So I'll be able to see whether it'll catalogue, run the functions and so on, just to see what the sort of mechanical capabilities of these copper pins are. I've soldered a new connector block onto the finance module. These are the copper pins and they've been formed with the forming tool. It's a slightly loose block because I had them made in different sizes to see which size fitted the pins best, and this is one of the wider ones, so they're a little bit loose in there. But they are soldered in, and on here this is all the pins are soldered on one side of the PCB rather than having the PCB sandwiched between the two layers of pins. So it's a different mounting scheme, and that worked fine. The solder wires are long enough to do that. Unfortunately, when the case goes on, the module sort of tilts for some reason. I don't know why. The case wasn't designed for this module. So I'm having to pack it out with a bit of paper and then clip that on so that I get the pins in the correct position, sort of in this direction, for it to plug into the calculator. So at the moment, if I do a catalogue 2, there's no finance module as you'd expect because it's here, and if I then plug it in, and I'm plugging it in that side, and that's plugged in because the other side had weird clocks. I might try that in a minute. You can hear it beeping maybe there. This one beeps for some reason, there's something wrong with it. And there's the finance module. So it's at least recognising it. There you go. Well, sort of. But yeah, it is there. Let's see if we can. There you go, Finance 1D. So it's working. I'm going to now just use it for a while and sort of plug it in different machines and see what happens. But it seems fine at the moment. Let's try it in the other slot actually. This is the slot that had a dodgy clock. Yeah, so that slot doesn't work. So there's something wrong with this this calculator. So I'll try it in a couple of others that I've got.